To super. Čau.
Vítám tady další účastníky Mělnického vinobraní. Ahoj! Hi! Where are you from?
Belgium! We're from Belgium.
France! I'm French! No, I'm French! Je suis française et fière de l'être! Vive la France!
How do you like this party? This
Of course, it's first time we come here for the band, for the Black Tartan Clan, the Saturday in Gege, in the concerts, and so we come here for this concerts, for this festival, and for the Black Tartan Clan. Yeah, just one concert, and so.
Yesterday, and we are fans. We come from Belgium and somebody from France. Belgium, and she's from France. So, and it's the best festival ever. Really, it's nice. And you see, everybody is nice and joyful and happy, and it's magnifique.
Takže někteří jsou z Belgie, někteří jsou z Francie a hrozně si to tady užili, přijeli z jiného koncertu, jsou to fanoušci Black Tartan Clan a chválej si tady lidi, že jsou všichni příjemní, všichni hrozně super a, a jsou hrozně spokojení. Pařej a je to super. Do you want to greet someone? Someone who's not in here? Someone else?
We want to say no.
Some greetings for
The Czech Republic. Yeah.
Well, Czechia is a beautiful country. That's really,
The people is really.
everybody is
happy,
nice. The sun is shining. Spring is in the air. No, winter is coming, but no problem.
It's a great weekend. It's a beautiful weekend for us. Yeah, really.
It's the best birthday ever.
It's his birthday Saturday. Yes, Saturday.
Birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear you, Mika. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mika. Happy birthday to you.
Takže prej je to nejlepší party, co teďka poslední dobou zažili a slavili jsme tady teďka narozeniny zrovna a to je asi jako tak zhruba všechno, no. Co jako...
Tak my moc krát děkujeme jak našim návštěvníkům vinobraní a našemu novému překladateli. Děkujeme. A vám taky samozřejmě. Čau!